Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just going to show you my sweet peas. They've been in, I think it's 7 days now. So let's get them out. Let's have a look. These heat propagator. This has been at a temperature of, so look, 21. So let's just get these out, shall we? Maybe a second. Right, here we go. Got them out of the propagator. You normally take a lot longer than this to germinate, to come through, but as you can see, I've got everyone is a winner. I didn't have enough seeds to put total one in each one, but I think I've only got one that hasn't come through, which I'm really happy about. So yeah, see there, really looking well. What I'll do with these now is, now I've got them out of the propagator, I don't want to have them in there all the time because they'll end up going too fast. Then I'll leave them out now. My greenhouse is heated but not massively, so yeah, I'll put them in a corner where it's the coolest it can be, and when they get a little bit taller, probably this tall, and they've got 5 or 6 spurs or 3 or 4 side shoots coming off, I shall nip the tops out and they'll start bushing up then for next year, which I should have some really nice scented sweet peas then. I'm going to put them in some in pots, put some canes in the middle of the pots, and have like little wigwams, begonias around the bottom and some geraniums, and these in the middle. Well, in fact, I won't have any begonias because if I spray these for powdery mildew, I'm going to kill my begonias, so that's a no-no. So just geraniums and these. So look nice for next year. Hopefully this video will remind me what I said I was going to do, because I'm always forgetting. I want these brilliant ideas and forget. So yeah, that's me. Sweet peas. Don't be disheartened if yours take 3 or 4 weeks to come through sometimes. If it's just on a unheated windowsill, it can take that long. But like I said, I'm lucky because I've got 2 heated propagators, so yeah, come through 6 or 7 days. So anyway, if you want any information on how to build one of these cheap heated propagators, just have a look at one of my videos. They're not the best thing in the world, but they do the job. They're thermostatically controlled. We've got 2 heat mats in each one, and it just makes germinating seeds and rooting cutting so much easier. Yeah, like I don't know what I'd do without these now. Like I said, they're pretty big. I can fit like three full-size trays in and a half one. So yeah, I think it cost me probably £10 to build these. So peanuts, absolute, no, £15, sorry. So absolute peanuts to build them. You're talking hundreds of pounds for a heater propagator this size. You know, like one on the top shelf and then one underneath the artificial lights there. So yeah, just look at my videos if you want to know how to build one of them. Pretty simple, nothing to it. Yeah, as for my sweet peas, I've rooted these in peat-based compost. It's got a load of wood fibre in. It's also got 6 weeks worth of feed in, and these will flower next spring. These, keep pinching them out. Like I said, I've started them off in heat. I shall put them in a cool place in the greenhouse now and plenty of light. Keep pinching them out and bulking them up. I shall keep spraying them for powdery mildew because some of the hybrids tend to suffer with that. So if you keep on top of it at the beginning, it really does help. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please keep safe, everybody. Remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you much for watching. Please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up. Cheers, folks. Bye.